Hi friends, welcome to Unbox Future channel. We all know that more people are involved in controlling and resolving this coronavirus. We are grateful to them. We will say thank each and everyone. Okay, let's start. First of all, I'm really proud that I'm a granddaughter of a farmer. Now you have guessed, yes. First we are going to say thanks our wonderful farmers. We all know that when people get announcement of lockdown, no one went mall, no one went theater or beach, everyone went vegetable shop and grocery shop because this is the first and primary to survive. So no farmers took rest and no one set their demand by using this situation because they all have humanity. We all know that agriculture is the backbone of a country. So very big thanks to them. Okay, next we are going to thank Yes, our dedicated doctors, nurses, and cleaning process workers. I saw an image. A doctor wears a full virus protection dress. Really, we can't wear that dress even at least 10 minutes, but they wear full day. I read an article. A doctor said that she was not able to drink water. Even she wasn't thirsty due to wearing full virus protection dress. Some doctors were suffered by this virus during treat coronavirus patient in that some were dead. But they are not worried about their life. Doctors and nurses are continuously giving treatment to who all are suffered by this virus. So very big thanks to them. Okay, next. Normally we all have holiday like New Year, Pongal, Diwali, Ramzan and etc. But one department is working 24/7. That is our Yes, our honorable police department. Police department has a big contribution is controlling this virus and protecting public. So they are giving outstanding service for the same. They are working 24/7 and they are working to protect the public without worrying about their lives. So very big thanks to them. Okay, next, our city is always very clean because the reason behind is Yes, our cleaning staff. They are working to clean city without worrying about their lives in this situation. We should help and respect them. Don't think that what can we do for them. I saw a video in social network. A cleaning staff said that she's segregating biodegradable trash and other trash. They said again that after segregating they are not able to drink even water also. We should think now. Should they segregate? Is that their job? That is our job. At least hereafter, we should put biodegradable trash and other trash separately. I think this is a very big help that we can. So very big thanks to them. Okay, next we are going to thank, yes, social activists. They are helping to people who all are not get food and not able to earn at this situation. So very big thanks to them. Okay, next we are going to thank, yes, vegetable and grocery shop workers are still working for people to get necessary things. So very big thanks to them. Okay, next. Normally, some people are taking tablets every day for many reasons like BP, sugar, and etc. And people may have sick in this lockdown period. So, upcoming respective persons are working to help these kind of people. We'll see who is that. Yes, medical shop workers are working for these kind of people. So, very big thanks to them. Okay, fine. Next, we are going to thank very lovable and mercy persons. Yes, there are lovable mothers and sisters. We really understood them. They spent most of the time in kitchen without showing any irritation and they are doing whatever the family members asked. We not only thank mothers and sisters, we should say big thanks to all women. So, very big thanks to all women. Okay, next. Till now, we said thanks to everyone who involved in lockdown. But I missed more persons like gas delivery persons, water can delivery persons, and all doorstep delivery persons, and etc. So, big thanks to everyone, including the respective public who has involved in the lockdown. Last but not the least, so far we said thanks who all are involved in controlling and resolving this coronavirus, the only force that saves 130 crore people in India whether the country has a problem or not. That is... Yes, it's our Indian army. As I said that whether the country has problem or not, always our Indian army is the only force to save 130 crore people. So we should thank always to them. We should never forget them to say thanks. So very big thanks to our Indian army. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.